your feet. Come on, baby. Kick your feet. Move those arms. You're doing a good job. Keep kicking them. Keep kicking them. Come on, baby. Keep kicking them. Come here. You did a great job, baby. You can do it again? We'll do it right here. Okay. Here we go. Okay. Come on over here to mommy. Kick those feet. Move your arms. Yeah, move your arms and your feet. You're doing a good job. You're almost to me. Oh, okay. That was good. That was really good. You want to do it again even though you swallowed water?